I have made this progress bar and Filmora, then it is really easy to make. I was looking for from long time one for my project video, but I was not able to find. So today we are going to make progress bar and Filmora. Either you can make an Filmora 9 or Filmora 10, same steps will work. Now let's start. First open Filmora and choose project ratio 16:9. Once you open project, from project media there is another folder called simple color. Choose that one and choose whatever background color you want to for progress bar. I'm going to choose gray and you can choose black, whatever colors you like. And I'm going to stretch out for about like 10 seconds. We can make adjustment always later. And I'm going to use green color as a progress bars goes up. You can stretch out that one too about the same duration. Now just double click and you will see this menu bar image color animation, or you can right click and click on add animation. We are going to add some kind of animation. Go to animation. From the preset library I'm going to choose one called slide up. You can make your custom, but I'm going to choose slide up. Just double click and animation have been applied on green screen. And you will see also a couple dots have been created on it. Now you can play and see. For me it's too fast. I'm going to slow a little bit. I'm going to make this progress bar for about like 5 seconds. I hold one dot and stretch it out in Filmora 10 and it will be slower animation. Now just play and see how it look like. So far really good. That's I need. So now I will play and I will cut the rest of part my green and gray bar. I no need. Just split the rest of part and delete gray and green. We done. Now we are going to export the video on our desktop. Use really high resolution. I'm going to use a 60 frame per second and I'm going to use 8000 kbps. Okay, then okay. Our video has been processed already, saved on desktop. Delete those videos or from the timeline. Now bring their video and media library. At this time, depend on you which video you want to use this progress bar, but I'm going to make a simple video, so I'm going to use a red color as a video. You can choose any your video. I'm going to make a duration about like 10-15 seconds. I'm also going to use black color as a border for my progress bar, so I use a black color. Now the third video track, I'm going to put that video and I'm going to keep same. From here you have to make your black color exactly same duration of your top progress bar video. We done. Just click on progress bar and at the screen you can hold that dots and make shape according to your needs. I need a progress bar, so I made it really skinny like that and look like as a progress bar. If you are making something else like a kind of a battery shape or something, you can also change shapes. And now I click on black color. I'm going to look like black color as a border. You can also do fine tune from your keyboard, right, left and up down arrow. Done. Just play, see how it look like. So far we done already, but now I'm going to give a little bit more decoration. For this one I'm going to use title. I'm going to choose 3 title and I'm choosing a plain text from Filmora 10. I will bring 3 titles at the same time. Then I have to make same duration of our progress bar video like 5 seconds. I will add one by one all 3, then we will make some adjustment. First one I put start, second one I put end, and the third one I'm going to use just those lines. In some cases we also call underscore or whatever I'm going to use that one. I have a tagged 10 already. And now we just go to title 1. We are going to make it fit inside the bar. If you want to put it on the side of the bar, up to you. I just put this one inside the bar and I have a 10 lines. I click on bold so they look like a little bit more bold. End I put on the top and start I'm putting on bottom. So where my progress bar start. You can also flip other way, reverse way. So far we done with the title. Now just you can make sure all the titles have no animation. You don't want to have any animation on your title. So there is no animation. Now let's play, see how it look like. Here we go. We have a progress bar done already. You can do a lot more with this one. Whatever you need, you can add color, you can add more stuff. And I'll give you one more trick. If you right click and go to speed and duration, from the speed and duration you will see reverse speed and press OK, yes, and you will see your progress bar will work in reverse. First I will click on render to for smooth playback, and now let's play, and you can see your progress bar is working in reverse. And now you can do more. You can flip your start and text up and down according to your need, and be done. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with a new topic.